May mga nag-recommend ng Dan Eric's ice cream. We had to try them. First, yung Chocofee. Combo siya ng chocolate and coffee ice cream. I mean, how can you go wrong, diba? Ang sarap. Ilang subo lang nitong small cup, ubos agad namin. Next is yung fruit salad. Sobrang creamy ng coconut ice cream na to, tapos may bits pa ng glazed fruits na you'll usually find in a fruit salad. Sarap nito. Next is yung coffee mocha fudge. Bet na bet ko yung combo ng coffee-flavored ice cream with choco cookie bits and dark choco swirls pa. Sana lang palaban pa yung coffee ice cream para di lang aftertaste yung lasa. Since walang plain vanilla, in-order ko rin yung choco vanilla. Sobrang malasa yung vanilla flavor. Perfect combo sila ng chocolate ice cream. Meron din silang mallows and chocolate flavor. Simple lang siya na chocolate ice cream with tiny marshmallows. Sobrang matutuwa mga kids dito kasi di siya ganun katamis. Yung mango ice cream nila, pagbukas pa lang ng tub, amoy na amoy agad. They make this with natural mango puree kaya lasang-lasa talaga. Solid to. Finally, their chocolate ice cream. Medyo di na kami na-shock na sobrang sarap and creamy nito kasi halos lahat ng binili namin na chocolate flavor. Mas pronounced lang ang chocolate flavor nito kasi may alkalized cocoa daw. Kaya parang may pagka-dark choco rin siya. Matagal na tong Dan Eric's ice cream kaya super happy kami na try na namin finally kasi sobrang creamy na ka every time. Sakto lang ang tamis tsaka di mabigat kainin. Highly recommended talaga. Try nyo na rin if you haven't yet. Solid ice cream and sana mas sumikat pa sila.